Yo, it's your boy Nana Kill Hardy. And then with the street sniper and the bar studio. What's the Medikal drop it? Disturbation album 2. What drop 4 album? Wait till we down. Street sniper. I don't call it to my head. If you no watch it, say ye. Punchline ini. What I say? We get horizontal lie. We a punch lie. Bro. What say? A rainy day. You better drop rainy day. What I say? You better drop rainy day. Disturbation 2. Medikal. What I say? Ojo, mummy inti.
A-Town we drop on
A-Town only. A-Town only.
How many times should I make it clear that I'm destined to make it here? Never been a baker, but I'm stacking up my bread. I saw my future hanging brighter than the chandelier.
Saw my future brighten, hanging like a chandelier. You the bab? Chandelier, lighten. I was them. I make them your face. Street sniper. Them for bab, chandelier. There's a Medikal. Yo, the life in a brightest chandelier and as a foul. Expensive shit.
Medikal castle punchy.
Hey.
Medikal castle, you'll be a punchy hand. You'll be a punchy hand.
Oh, you mean tea?
So I had to chase dreams like McMill, but I'm never sleepwalking. I'm a
Hi! Killer Jimmy, what's it all kind of?
What's it then?
Maybe yes, I'll come back now. Street sniper breaking it down.
Come back.
a baker, but I'm stacking up my bread. I saw my future hanging brighter than the chandelier. So I had to chase dreams like McMill, but I'm never sleeping.
I have to chase dreams like McMill. Dream chaser.
Dream chaser. Hey.
You never have.
Well,
This no be your common rapper. This be Medikal. Make you people no joke plus Medikal. MDK. That's Ramete.
Walking, I'm at the bank like a tree, so they keep stalking. And your girl suck dick like she beatboxing.
What? Guys. Boy,
Medikal drop it bass. Hey. Hey.
I had to chase dreams like McMill, but I'm never sleepwalking. I'm at the bank like a tree, so they keep stalking. And your girl suck dick like she beatboxing.
Hey. Your girl suck dick like beatboxing. Your girl suck dick like beatboxing.
Let's me break it down. Extra man for. Akwa no mi donya me. Ofia de etu. Medikal was a bang. Medikal wa bang.
I was rapping. What's a beatboxing I say? People no go back, but beatboxing no. Your bitch they suck dick like beatboxing. Kofono mdo mano bonyom no.
Kofono mo ya.
Your dick they
Opa say Mano Esakia said they
what are
beatboxing. Hey! Medikal. MDK.
That's Ramete.
MDK.
Yanko eti.
Hey! Boy, sako ni eti.
Or drop bass.
I had to chase dreams like McMill, but I'm never sleepwalking. I'm at the bank like a tree, so they keep stalking. And your girl suck dick like she beatboxing. Wow. She might be one of those. We be fucking till she pass out like an overdose. Miss me with the
When you drag so, but you people you go fuck like you're overdose. Bro.
Medikal can say too much.
But chakala nama, they say. Also, the view. They say, I support 10,000. I don't give you.
Medikal gave you actually fucking. Or chilling the ajay.
10,000. I support one.
Oh, fight channel.
Medikal.
Medikal.
Hey, don't forget it. Medikal be the new, and then you or you old, bro. You ain't Medikal.
Bye. Medikal and Casano.
Yeah.
Or said that. But I'm sad.
I didn't see her, boy.
You ever see December, man? Medikal were the bangers to bangers.
Never.
So one Casana won't pay Medikal and won't you know. Medikal be shoot December beer, the bangers.
Hey, snipe. Me ain't see Medikal. Me ain't feel Medikal.
Hey, shit. This ain't homies over hoes. Never missing exes, never texting X and no. Sorry, no. Friends stay friends when it's beneficial. Sometimes the grass is greener when it's artificial. Always know I'll make it to my destination. So even before I book a ride, I make my payments. Yeah, fuck on my face. I own my masters. How can I be a slave? I'm a young black boy. I might misbehave, but I stick to the truth. And these niggas can relate. Oh Lord, I ball like a student, no pupil. Player in disguise, but my math no be equal. Fresh off the boat, you should see what I've been through. Sharp like a razor boy, I'm flyer than an eagle. Hot like a verse, but I'm quicker than an introvert in my house. Cause they don't want to believe you. Stress in their mind, don't make nobody deceive you. X-ray niggas, we always deceive through.
X-ray niggas, we always deceive through. X-ray niggas, we always deceive through. People know go back, make her break it down. With him, call hospital girls, you know. And I saw when your man, also could take history. Said we'll find it out. Say, yeah, or your
a bad day, man. I said,
a bad day.
Okay.
Medikal, bro.
No, I saw a Medikal. It's your no, you didn't want me a day.
Essay,
or a Medikal.
MDK. Minty, Oju.
Badness when I come through. I be kicking, I be punching like it's kung fu. Chop the top off like a kung fu. I be snatching niggas' souls like I'm Shanshu. They always knew the boy was clever. I be stacking money, stacking cheddar. Whether rainy days, any weather. Whatever they say, I be making moolah. You know, me and the bros, we been broke. From Kwashiman to South to home to go from. We dey pray for the rainy days. For the rainy days. We dey pray for the rainy days. For the rainy days. We dey pray for the rainy days. I'm at the wall front and I kill goons. Niggas they back like pit bull. Young niggas really think they
Niggas they back like pit bull. Remember, boys near the do. Muki came, pomo, my did this a cramine, pit bull. Pit bull, a cramine. Muki came,
And I know it.
Boys near the day.
Boys, you know me the day.
What I say?
Me the day.
I said cramine. Medikal, you the punch anyhow.
It's in America, say.
Yeah.
Medikal.
Yeah. Very clever.
Where you good.
What I say?
Why we need rap on? We need rap. What the old Betty and it? Many, and now Betty. And now can say rap.
Yeah.
By Medikal and Akasan, which means you rap to double on ton.
You Bob.
Hey.
Odu. Mummy
can't step in my shoes, homie. You can never walk around what I've been through. If life is a message, I'm the messenger. And I'm always.
If life is a message, I'm a messenger. Yo! Missy, we never a horizontal lie you. We a punch lie. A Medikal. Forgetting on my day, or mother.
Rides like the passenger. And I dodge niggas, but I ain't no fucking challenger. Fuck around.
I dodge niggas. Me, I ain't a challenger.
Door charger.
You the Bob. I'm a challenge you, or shall I know a dodgy? Or far no a dodgy. Or shall I a dodgy? No challenge. Was also the car reference. Door challenger. Dodge challenger. Bro, Medikal is a serious, have some serious bars, have some serious life, have some serious metaphor. The rap ne will shape.
They get 3 stripes off this bullet like it's Adidas. My shirt is certified, they know that I'm fortified. I was born in 94, so I'll be grinding till I'm 95. My nigga fucking 95. If you all grind, we all shine on the other side.
Niggas fuck yo 95 nigga.
Oh, the Medikal, you're 94.
Yo, what the fuck yo 95?
Who's up?
Yeah.
I was born in 94. but I start 95.
Mhm.
That's your own 94.
Also be Ghanaian to that age in the 94 like obe Ghanaian to 94. You dey bab inti obe put in hard work. So no wabako kra. Medikal.
I'm with a sniper gun, I be killing niggas. Niggas dumb and I'm numb, so I ain't feeling niggas. I push them to the wall like I be drilling niggas. And I really don't give a fuck about the silly niggas. Stay true to myself from the copper to the ceiling. So anytime you hear the boy sick, just know I'm healing. And may the know say we gon' make 'em anyway. Cause we dey pray for the rainy day, sweat.
MDK. What we dey pray for the rainy day. What I say?
Medikal, you know, Mr. Ma, we do be a good team. Come on.
You niggas should go and stream. You niggas should go and stream. You dey bab.
Medikal, why are they yourself? I want to. Yeah, first fan, not TMT hip hop. I mean, boots, you, high life, Nessa, Afro pop, Nessa, I mean, boo. But I see, you know, what you say, boys, no, as a car boys, no, or more force, or more ye be. See, a boys, in any abre.
Montana. Medikal be rapper where you people no go back. Cause ukuta different style, different mindsets. Ultimate channel show. The man kofo be follow my Medikal no. The style ni different. The style ni a raw man who's a boy ni a different nigga. What I say. And men forget it's all kwako streaming. And then the snipe in the bar studio. But then Nana kill the abramo. This your boy Nana kill. Go and subscribe to my channel. What I say? Yo, our boy. What I say? Comment. MDK. What drop this disturbation?
Baby out here. Chiro wadi subiano. I have to comment section.
Ide bab.
Right.
Screw. We are out.